Toyota's brought me across the state of Florida to check out the new GR products this year, and we have 45th anniversary edition of the Supra. Let's check it out. This 45th anniversary edition is pretty cool. Now, Japan got a similar special edition to this, and we didn't know if it was going to come to the United States with this orange color. They're calling this color Mikan Blast. Mikan means orange in Japanese, and it is also available in absolute white if you're not a fan of the orange, but to me, the orange is definitely the way to go. The orange won't be so easy to get. There's only 900 of these 45th anniversary edition Supras, and it is split evenly between this color and the absolute zero. Luckily for you manual transmission lovers out there, you'll also be able to get this in the 6-speed manual, but if you don't want to shift your own gears, you have the 8-speed ZF as well as an option. But let's get into these wheels. These are unique matte black wheels, and check them out. 19 inches black GR brake calipers as well, with the black Supra decal along the side. And if you look at these wheels, the overall style isn't that much different from the smaller wheels on the lower brethren in the Toyota GR lineup. Now we also have a manually adjustable rear spoiler here. This thing looks amazing sitting off the rear. Now, I've seen a lot of Supras with more of that duckbill spoiler like we have on the GR6, but what we have here is very unique. And I guess here's the manual adjustments. And maybe inside here, it's hard for me to see. Oh, there it is. I can see how it slides around a bit, but I just love that. Super cool, very unique here on this 45th anniversary Supra. Looking at the back, we have matte black at the bottom, and just like the Torino, matte black at the bottom, and then glossy black on the spoilers. And the 45th anniversary, a tribute to the Mark IV Supra. Materials in here are actually nowhere as good, in my opinion, compared to the GR86 interior. I was really impressed with that Torino interior, and we don't have the suede in here. Just a standard leather with white stitching, and it just doesn't feel as quality actually as the last two cars in terms of seat, but comfort is another thing altogether. The steering wheel is a completely different style compared to the last two. Still very skinny in the hands here, like the previous two GR cars. Check this out, special edition, limited to 900 units produced, Toyota GAZOO Racing. Built in Magnesia in Austria. Pretty cool there. Make sure to watch my review on the manual transmission Supra. It is one of the best manual transmission cars I've driven. It's just so fun, so rewarding. And this thing is, I wouldn't say perfect because it does dog a little bit from first to second gear. You gotta massage it a bit, but after second gear, it's guns blazing off to the races. This thing is one of the most fun I've had in a manual transmission ever. The Supra still looks amazing with this carbon fiber here. I just wish there was a little bit more contrast on the interior of this special edition, maybe with some orange stitching or something. But with how everything is just one tone black, it really makes you focus on the road because this car is so fast. You're not going to be focusing on the things going around on the inside. It's eyes ahead as you speed forward with this inline six. Of course, you got the JBL audio sound system with the subwoofers in the back. Out of all the engine presentations so far, the Supra is definitely the best here. We have this huge brace, this GR brace that I actually don't remember seeing on any previous Supra, so I don't know if it's unique to this special anniversary edition, but here's the reason why you buy the Supra. This is one of the best engines I've ever had the blessings to drive with. This is the inline six 3-liter sourced from BMW. It is the B58 engine, oodles of power and torque. It feels like it has over 400 pound-feet of torque and over 400 horsepower, even though the actual numbers are a little bit under that. You can still get the 8-speed ZF on this special edition, as well as the 6-speed manual. The manual is the way I would be going, but if you're driving down the track, it is no doubt going to be faster with that lightning quick ZF. Well, let me know what you guys think below with this 45th anniversary with the Mikan orange. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely going to turn some heads, as well as the Torino here of the GR86 and the blue flame of the Circuit Edition GR Corolla. Let me know which one is your favorite in terms of aesthetics. I think they all look great. I mean, really, and the blue really stands out. And the Torino is just bringing all that nostalgia back for me, even though this also has a 45th anniversary tribute to the Mark IV. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the comments below. Don't mind the Copper Crest RX 500H over here. With these wheels, I actually haven't seen these wheels on an RX F Sport before. I don't know what I'm missing, but they are quite amazing. They look like they're taken out of the IS, but maybe just a little bit bigger. They look awesome here on the Copper Crest. I could look at this color all day long.